Hi friends, hello everyone. This is Lord here. In this video today, now I am going to show you that how to create a blogger.com. So it's the same like WordPress website only now. So that but Blogger is better than WordPress that you can create this blogger website and you need to write and many articles in this blogger itself. So especially one thing is that you need to especially for those who do not have an account of this blogger.com, I'm going to give this link in the description and please go to that link and create your account and you need to enter you can enter many articles itself. So for example, one of the person has already created an articles and he had made it as some pages itself. So for example, contact forms, landing page, some other pages they are actually created itself. So disclaimers or privacy policy about us, you need to enter all those names in those pages itself. So and after you have entered all those pages itself, so you need to then your AdSense will get approved to the blogger itself. So first of all, now let us see what you need to do is now you need to go to this website as blogger.com. So now let us see. Now I'm going to show you this blogger.com itself. So let us click. Okay, now what you need to do is first of all, especially for those who do not have an account of this blogger.com, now you need to go to this website as blogger.com. So first of all, you need to go to the Google and then you need to enter it as a blogger.com. Blogger is there, no? So you need to search for this blogger itself. So actually, I'm already having account itself only. So, but I'm going to create this another account itself, but I'm already using my another email ID only, so that's why then what you need to do is now you need to open this website as blogger.com. Blogger.com create a unique and beautiful blog is there, no? So you need to click on that website. This was the main blogger.com. Here it is showing on, so in the up of the website here it is showing on, www.blogger.com is there, no? So you need to select that website only. So for example, now let us see. Now I'm going to create a new account itself. So for example, now let us see. I'm going to sign out this account itself. So let's click on here. Or otherwise, let us see. Now I'm going to click on the sign out all those accounts here itself. And what you need to do is now you need to go to this another email ID. Now I'm going to create this blogger.com in another email ID itself only. So let's see what you need to do is, so let's click on this continue and then you can create with create a blogger with another account also. So let us see now how I'm going to create this blogger itself. So let us see. One thing you need to do is that here it is showing that you need to create your blog is there now. So you need to click it as a create your blog. Okay. Now let's see what you need to do is now I'm going to enter log in with my another email ID also. So let us see. Now here I'm going to log in from my another email ID or otherwise you can create itself. So but it's a simplest way that I am going to log in with my another email ID only. So let's see. Let us click on this login here. Okay, let's click on next. Okay, now let's see what you here it is showing that continue with a new from profile is there. So let us see. Wow, first question here it is showing that you need to enter a name of your blog. So I'm going to enter a name of the blog name is online digital marketing. Let us see. Now I am going to enter it as an online digital marketing, and then let's click on next. And then you need to enter your address, or otherwise you can enter any name itself. So for example, I'm going to enter it as my bank employee. Venkat Louis, Aksha. Let's, or otherwise, then I'm going to enter it as a another email ID. Okay. See, let us see. You can choose any name itself. So, for example, uh, this, I am going to enter it as a low admin Bade, and then you need to click on this next. See, coming to the next point here, it is showing that you need to you need to enter it as your display name. So let us see. Now I am going to enter it as a display name is digital marketing. Okay, then let's click on finish. Okay, let's click on this here. Continue in a new Chrome profile is there. No, so let's click on OK. Or otherwise, as you wish, you can click it as a no thanks itself also. So that's your wish itself only. So coming to the next point. Now what you need to do is here it is showing that there are the new posts, many posts is here it is showing only now. So let us see. What you need to do is now I am going to this post itself. So let's go to this blogger.com. Blogger.com blog or post here it is showing only now. So let us see. What you need to do is now this was my new email ID. That's why I have already created an account itself. So let's see. And coming to the next point, as you wish, you can choose it any color itself. So coming to the, let's see, post is there no. So if you want to add a new post, so let us see. For example, now I am going to add one of the post here itself only. So let us see. Let's click on this add new post. Add new post is there no. So let's click on this add new post. Now I am going to copy the setting itself. So let us see what I am now. I am going to copy the setting. Let's click on this. Let's click on copy, and then you need to paste it here itself. Okay. First of all, okay, here it is showing the title name. Title is there now, so you need to enter a title name. Okay, now I have already copied here itself. And coming to the next point is that now you need to paste it. Now you need to copy all those things, and then you need to paste it to your blogger.com. So let's see. Let's click on copy, and then you need to paste it here. Okay, let's see as your wish. Let's click on and let's click on move on to the session, and then you need to click on this publish option is there no. So let's click on this publish option. Okay, confirm. Okay, now I have published my first blog post here itself only. So coming to the next point is that now you need to create your pages, or otherwise here there is a theme is there no. So you can select any theme itself. So for the first time I am going to show you here itself. So let us see. First of all, let us see now. I am going to uh, show my blog itself. So let's click on my new tab. Okay, now let us see. Just now I have already published my first blog post here itself on So let us see. Let's click on read mode. Okay, now let us see. This was the example that I have shown you here itself for the post itself. And coming to the next point is you need to create a new pages itself. So for example, in this new pages, now I am going to create a new pages itself. So let's select it as a pages, and then you need to click it as a new page. Okay. Now what you need to do is I am going to you need to enter it as a about us. So let's see. For example, now let us see. Now I am going to enter my name. Enter about us here. Hello, hello everyone. Seriously, no, here from the Vizag, from the not from the Vizag, from online digital marketing agencies YouTube trainer, and I have an experience of this digital marketing of marketing research analyst, and I can teach how to create a blog, content writing, or affiliate marketing, SEM. That means search engine management, SMM. That means social media marketing, and SEO means search engine optimization. And create a I can also create a Google Analytics, AdWords, and AdSense. So this was the example that I have created itself. So let us see. Now you need to go click on this publish itself. So in the let us see. Now for one thing I need to forgotten to type here. I have an experience, and I have one year of experience of IT recruiter, IT recruiter 4 months, 4 months, and I have worked on I have worked executive marketing in my organization, and that's all, guys. That's all, guys. This was the example that I have already created itself on. So let us see. Now let's click on this publish itself. Let's click on confirm. Okay, now let's see. First page about us has been added, and in the same way, you need to add a new page. Another page also is there. No? So let us see. Um, Now I am going to enter it as a contact us. So in this contact us, you need to go to this new tab, and then you need to go to this Google Forms itself. So Google Forms is there. No? So let's go to this Google Form itself. So let's go on to this Google. You need to search for the Google Form, or otherwise you can search in 9 dots also. So that's as your wish only. So let us see now the Google Forms is there. No? So let us click on this Google Forms for free online service for the personal use. So let us see. Now I have entered gone to this Google service, and let's see here it is showing that you can choose any one option itself, either personal or business. So but now I am going to selecting it as a personal only. Okay, now what you need to do is, so in this Google Forms, you need to select it as a Google Forms itself. Okay, now let us see. Now let's see here. It is showing that this was the contact information. This was the example already I have created itself only now. So let us see. Now let's go back to let's again search for this Google Forms itself. Okay. Now what you need to do is contact information is there now. So let's click on this contact information. So let's click on this contact information. Okay, let us see. Now this was the example that I have already created around So let us see. Or otherwise you can change it, any name itself. So here it is showing that for the comments I need to change the comments to location. So let us see here it is showing that. Okay. Now let's see here it is showing that comments option is there. So in this comments option I am going to change to so location. Okay, now let's see. Now I am going to change this location. So I'm going to selecting it as a short answer, and then you need to click on this required. Now coming to the next point is that now you need to click on the send option is there. So let's click on the send option. In the send option, see here it is showing that you need to include form in email itself. So let's see. Now you need to copy this embed HTML is there. So let's copy this embed HTML, and then you need to paste it this embed HTML into contact us form is there. So HTML view is there. So you need to go to this HTML view, and then you need to paste that code here itself. Okay, now let's see. Now let's go to this compose view. Okay, now your contact us form has been added successfully. And coming to the next point is that now I am going to create a privacy settings. So let's see. Now you need to go to this option as privacy option is there. So let us see. Now I am going to click on create a new page, privacy. Privacy. Click on privacy. So let's see. Now you need to go to this Google, and then you need to search for a privacy. privacy policy is there. So you need to enter it as a privacy policy itself. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now let's see. Let's go to this Google. Privacy policy generator is there. No, so you need to select search for the privacy policy generator itself. Okay, now here it is showing that www.privacy is there. No, so you need to select that website is there. So 100% free privacy policy generator is there. So let's click on this website of privacy policy generator. Okay, now let us see. Now you need to enter it as a your company name. So let us see. Now I am going to now whatever I have entered a name of this company. So let us see. Online digital marketing is there. No, so I am going to enter it as a online digital marketing. Okay, now let's see. Online digital marketing. Okay, you need to enter your website name. Online digital marketing. So let's see. Okay, now let's coming to the next point is now you need to search for now you need to copy this website. Just now you have created a new blogger website now, so you need to copy that website name and then you need to paste it here itself. So let us see. Now you need to paste it to your website URL. Okay, now let's click on next. Now here it is showing that additional questions is there. No, so do you use your cookies on your computer? Yes. And second question is that do you show advertising through your Google AdSense on your website? Yes. And coming to the next question is that do you show your advertising from third parties? No. So let's click on no, and then you need to click it as a next. You need to select your country. Okay, my country is India only. So let's click on this India. My state is Andhra Pradesh. There is no need to change anything itself. Okay, now this was my email ID. Then let's click on my generate my privacy policy. Okay, now what you need to do is in this privacy policy generator, no, you need to download your privacy policy generator is there. No, so first of all, you need to click it as a copy text to clipboard. Copy text to clipboard and go back to your Blogger. You need to select this pencil option. Let's click on this HTML view and then you need to paste it here. Okay, now let's see. Let's let's see here once all of you. Let's click on this compose view. Okay, now I'm going to remove all those links here itself. So let us see here it is. We have found those links. It's here itself on So let us see. Now I am going to remove all those links. Okay, now I have removed all those links itself. So and then you need to click on the publish. Okay, now let us see. These are all the examples that I have created only. And coming to the final page, next page is now you need to enter a disclaimer. So let's see. Let's again you need to click on this new page. Let's you need to enter it as a disclaimer. Disclaimer is then so you need to enter it as a disclaimer. Okay, now let's go to this new tab and then you need to go to this google.com. Okay, now let's see search for this disclaimer generator. generator is there. No, so disclaimer generator is there. No, so let's search for this disclaimer generator. So disclaimer generator. So let us click it as a disclaimer generator.net. Okay, now you need to, in the same way, whatever I have entered in privacy policy, you need to enter again itself. So let us see. Now you need to enter your company name. So online, I have already entered it as an online digital marketing only. No, I know again I'm going to enter all those things here itself. Come into the next page. So let us see now online digital marketing, online or digital marketing. Okay, now you need to copy this URL. Now you need to copy your website URL. So again, I'm going to copy this my website URL to disclaimer generator. Okay, now let's click on this next button. Okay, now you need to select your country. Now you need to select your country, state, that's all. And then you need to copy your code here itself. So, and now again, I'm going to enter my email ID itself. Okay, now let's click on this, generate my disclaimer. Okay, now let's see. Now what you need to do is now you need to click on download your client disclaimer is there. No? So let's click on copy text to clipboard. Okay, now I have copied this text board and then you need to click on HTML view. Let's click on paste here and then you need to go to this compose view. Now you need to remove this link itself. Okay, that's all guys. Now let's click on this publish here itself. And see, finally I have added all those pages here itself. So, and coming to the next point is now you need to go to this layout option to add all the menus itself. So now let's click on this add layout. What you need to do is you need to select a page list top is there. No, so let's click on this page list top and then you need to select all those pages here itself. So let us see for the title is I'm going to enter it as an online digital marketing. Okay, now let's see here it is showing that you need to select all here. You need to click on select all. So let us see, just now I have already created it as a disclaimer, privacy policy, contact us, report us, or actually I have already created, so let us select all at once and then you need to click on this save button. Okay, now let us see, let's click on this, okay, add new link. Okay, now we didn't find any menu itself on, so let us see. Now again I'm going to see here it is showing that you need to click on the save button. Okay, now let's see, let's click on this add new preference. Now let us see, again I'm going to show you here. What you need to do is now again I'm going to click on the save button. Let's click on. Now again I'm going to select all those plugins here itself only. So let us see. Oh, okay, now this was my digital marketing only. So let us go back. And what you need to do is now you need to go to this layout page. Again, I'm going to select all those pages here itself only. So let's see in this page list. Now again, I'm going to select this page list. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to deselect all. Let's click on this disclaimer, contact us, about us all. You need to select all those pages and then you need to click on the save pages. Okay, now let's click on this save button. See, let us see. Now what you need to do is now again I'm going to show you here for the I'm getting a small error problems issue only. So let us go to this layout page only. So let us see in this layout page. Now you need to enter it as a title name. So let us see here. It is showing that you need to enter it as a title name is there. No? So let's see. Now I am going to enter it as enter a title name. Here it is showing that you need to show pages is there. No? So you need to select it as a show pages. Let's click on this save. Okay, now you need to click on this save again. Okay, now let's click on this view the blog. Okay, now finally I have got it. That's all guys. For the today's topic is that how to create a blogger.com. It's same like WordPress website. And then coming to the next point, now you need to if you want to select if you want to select a theme. So let us see. Now I'm going to choose an now I'm going to choose another theme itself. So let us see. Let us go back to this blogger.com. Let's see. Let's wait all of you once. See, let's refresh all those pages here itself only. So let's click. Okay. Now let us see. Now what you need to do is go back to this home page of Blogger. So okay, now let us see in the next page theme option is there. Now so you can go to this theme option, then you can choose any theme itself. So let us see, this was the example that I have already chosen here itself only. So let us see, as not only this theme, you can choose many different types of themes are there. You can choose any one of this theme itself only. So that's all. These are all the examples that I have already created itself only. So for example, one of the example now I am going to create select a theme itself. Now that means I'm going to selecting a new theme itself. So let us see, for example, now I'm going to select this theme is better to select it here itself only. So let us see, or otherwise, first of all, now I'm going to search other themes itself. So let us see, this was the good theme, and then you need to click on this apply. Apply is there, no? So apply button is there, no? So you need to click on this apply button, and then you need to click on this got it. Okay, now let's see. Now let's see. Now you need to click on this new block. Okay, now let's see. Okay, just now we have got all those things here itself on all those menus. So home page, disclaimer, privacy policy, contact us, and about us. All those many pages we have got it on. So that's all, guys, for the today's topic. And please go to the please go to this website and try to create your account and try to create your blog itself. So you need to enter all those blog itself. So especially for one day, you need to enter it any blog, any 2 or 3 times or 10 blogs you can create itself. So that's as your wish. But every day you need to create your blog itself. So thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone. For those who all are watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a bell icon from here. Thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone. And please comment me in my YouTube channel, especially for those who all are having any doubts regarding about this topic of blogger.com and how to create a pages in blogger.com itself. So that's all, guys, for the today's topic. So thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone. Once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a bell icon from here. Thank you all.